life, we look for peaceful places that offer lots of conveniences. I'm Sam Darby, welcome to Residence 1108 Belysa Tower. Situated in close proximity to the Blacktown Train Station, Westpoint Shopping Centre, Hospital and the ACU campus, you will find this well-appointed and strategically positioned residence. As you enter, you find the light-filled home with luxury finishes prevalent. The open-plan kitchen with stainless steel appliances and stone bench tops. The contrast between the stone and wood allows for a warming feel. The strategic use of the study space makes working from home a breeze and allows for the convenience of easily ducking to the shops during your lunch break. This is a strategic opportunity. Come and inspect it for yourself. I look forward to talking to you soon.